Ganda, umaga, mga pogyat, ganda. Ito na, lesson 1, naturuan ko ang kapatid ko maktagalog. So, nagsulat pa rin ako. Ready ka?
Ready.
Okay. So, ito na.
What is that?
Lesson 1.
Okay.
Okay. So, Silvana, first word ay pakain.
Pakain.
Means food.
Food.
So, food is
Pakain.
pakain. Tama ka. Tapos, second word is kumakain ako.
Kumakain ako.
Kumakain ako means I'm eating.
Okay.
Okay? So,
Okay.
what's I'm eating?
Kumakain ako.
Tama ka. O, diba? Tapos, third word is kain tayo.
Kain tayo.
Kain tayo.
Kain tayo.
Means, let's eat.
My favorite part of the day.
Yeah, kain tayo lagi.
Kain tayo.
Tapos, there is the fourth word which is kanin.
Kanin.
So, kanin means rice.
Rice. Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
And then we have, so what's rice?
Kanin.
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 Kanin. So, don't get confused between pakain, kanin, kumakain.
Okay.
Okay? And then we have, the last word is too big.
Too big.
So, think about
Too
it
big.
like too big. Something is too
Too
big.
big.
Means water.
Water. Okay.
So,
Too
yeah.
big.
So, ito naman po, ganda. Lesson 1 talaga. So, what do you need? Anong gusto mo? Water! Too big!
Too big.
Too
Gusto
big!
kong too big. Too big.
Fast! Ano naman po, napatay na siya sa akin. Na yun, never siya nakalimutan.
Too big!
Yun. Too big!